Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Love2Shop. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in love2shop.co.uk and press enter. Once you do this, you will be taken into the official Love2 website where you can click on the Buy Love2Shop button to end up in the personal shopping site. Now from this page, in order to change your password, simply click on the login/register button and you will end up in the login portal. Now you can directly click on the forgotten password button to change your password as well. So just click on it and you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply type in your email address and then click on the Send Reset Email button. After you click on this button, you will receive an email from Love2Shop. Just open up this email and you will find a link to reset your password. After you click on this link, you will be allowed to type in your new desired password. So just type in your password and then continue forward and your password will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Love2Shop. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.